Hey guys. Next time we're going to discuss about it will be persistent bitch wall, which normally if your system running too slow or getting too much glitches. So most likely if you click in any application, you can see this bitch wall around your mouse. So the first thing I'm always recommending, it's better to go into the terminal and type down uptime, and it will tell you how many days and how many hours your system up and running. And simply after this you can go restart your computer or shut it down, and lots of problems going away. So another way to fix this issue, go to about this Mac storage, and I've seen that if you go to the manage, I've seen this a lot, people getting rid of their file and folders from their computer but it's still sitting in the bin, and it takes a lot of space, and it can be another reason for your computer running too slow. So if I search down for activity monitor, so you can see all the apps up and running in your computer. It might be some of the apps taking a lot of space, which if you go ahead and, like for example, if you want to close one apps, you clearly can do it. Click, for example, I'm clicking the Acrobat Pro for now. If I click force quit, so it will close that app for me, and you can monitor your system speed from here. And other things can be your operating system update running in the background without even you know it. So if you go to the about this Mac, and if you go to overview software update, so if you can see like a bar getting loaded, so cancel and click in the update now again.